Welcome to my first video on my new channel Dreamlabs. On this channel I would like to give you some insights into my experiments with AI, with virtual reality, and I recently published my roadmap for this year, so watch out for it on my other social media channels. In this first long form video I would like to show you the power of Cursor. Together with this new AI editor you are able to build websites in seconds, so stay tuned and watch till the end to see the results. First of all, we head over to Google and search for Cursor AI and download, for example, and here you have the link for Cursor. I will use version 0.48 for macOS ARM64. That's optimized for the Apple Silicon chips. So, and then install the program and log in for Cursor. I will install it myself and log in into the code editor, and then we continue. So now we are in Cursor, in the window of Cursor. First of all, we open our project. I just opened my folder, just create one in your Explorer or Finder or whatever operating system you're using. And yeah, so now we're in a dev folder, and now here on the right we have a prompt window to add context and to describe our idea. I would like to build an application for managing your private budget with monthly subscriptions and profits, and you can enter all this and it gives you an overview over the month to manage them. Yeah, so I will describe this and I will be back when the planner is doing its stuff. Yeah, this is will be my prompt. As always, it's better to formulate and prompt very detailed and very easy to understand, very long, so you give the AI as much information, so the output is better. For this illustrating example, I will just do a simple prompt. And yeah, let's watch what Cursor is doing. The cool thing about Cursor is that it indicates the documents in the folder and could also create them. You don't need to create them yourself like you need to do with ChatGPT. This AI editor is doing it all itself, and that's pretty cool. He finished the index.html file. I will not explain how HTML, CSS and JavaScript are working for this video, but just accept them. Most of the time it works really good. So then we have CSS, we accept that change, and we accept the change for JavaScript. And yeah, now we have the files in our folder, and I will open it. You can open your site by opening your folder. Here you see again your files, and you open index.html with your browser. And that's the outcome of the AI. That's the result of my prompt, and I think that looks really good. The outing type, income, expense, monthly, yearly, transactions. Yeah, it looks really good. I also wrote to include a dark mode. The dark mode does not look really good. You see there are many errors, but I think the animations and the text, it's really good from such a simple prompt. We'll test the functionality by giving the first transaction a name, and we will call it salary. We take 2,300 euros, for example. It's an income, it's monthly, and add the transaction. And what is it? That mean? Here I can delete it. I see in total income, total expenses. Okay. Yes. That one is pretty sad, but the rest I think it works really good. Let's test. It even saves your transactions. When I reload the page, they are saved. That's really cool. Animations, okay. So let's take Spotify for example. Spotify Mountain 10.99. It's an expense and it also comes monthly. Ooh. Okay. He wants not dots, he wants commas. He wants integers. Okay, now we see it's an expense. Income. We can delete them. Here's our balance. Yeah, I think you can build so cool stuff with Cursor, and together with a little bit of knowledge about how HTML and Vue and all these frameworks work, when you use them together correctly, this opens up infinity possibilities, even if you are not used to coding. So this was my first tutorial video about using Cursor. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment your suggestions. How can I improve this format? What you want to see in the future, and subscribe to see the future videos. And there's definitely some cool stuff coming over the next month. And check out all the links in the descriptions. All the prompts are in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.